Hello guys. At this moment, we'd like to look at the use of a pulse oximeter. So pulse oximeter, the word says pulse, then oximeter. So meaning that we're looking at two readings. So which means that we're looking at the pulse and then also looking at oximetry, which is oxygen saturation. So you'd have two readings when you're using this gadget here. So this gadget will show you even the trends. We are going to see on the display here or on the screen. So it has got buttons here which you're going to use. Okay, so there's a button, then there's a cable here which is connected to this detector here. So the detector uses infrared. Okay, so you're going to see the infrared. So let's switch on so that you see how we use it. So you're going to press this button. You're going to do a long press like that. So it will show you the manufacturer. This is Eden. Then even the model H100B. So this is the model of the machine. Okay. So it will show you all that. Then once it displays this, so you can be able to see. So you can get closer. You see the So it will show you what is known as SpO2. So SpO2 is what we're going to say oxygen saturation. So this one will give you a reading for oxygen. Then there's also PR, which is pulse rate here. So pulse rate shows you the pulse of the patient. So, and then it will also show you the wave here, the waveform. So I will explain what this means, all these three, what they mean. So here, when you look at this here, it's blinking there with something red. That's what we call infrared. Okay, that's infrared. It's more like rays, those rays we have like ultraviolet rays, but this one is saying infrared. So infrared is the one that we use to get the readings here. So the infrared is going to go through somebody's tissues. It's going to penetrate through the tissue. So once it penetrates through the tissue, it will be able to get the readings, which are oxygen, which we're calling oxygen saturation, or SpO2, or pulse rate. So this line, which we call the waveform. So let's see the waveform first. Okay, so Lydia, just give us your finger so you can get the finger or this here. Okay, and place it there. So the light there, as you can see, is penetrating through the skin and ensure that the patient's nails are not coated with maybe nail polish and they are clean, so that it gives you a reading. Okay, so like that. So once you do that, meaning that the light which are infrared will be able to now get through the skin. Once they penetrate through the skin, what you'll be able to see is this waveform. So this waveform here, it's showing you that the intensity of light which is going through the tissues. So when it goes through the tissues, as it is here, it will find the arteries. So it's able to find the arteries. So once it finds the arteries in the peripheral here, it's able now to pick and show you the oxygen saturation, which is SpO2. So in this case, it's at 100%. So oxygen saturation can range even from say 95% to 100% for those who are non-smokers. Then for smokers, it's okay also to have an oxygen saturation which is ranging from 85 to 95 for those who smoke. Non-smokers at least 95 to 100%, as you can see. Then here, on the other hand, it will show you PR, which is pulse rate. So it's able to give you the patient's pulse, which is 81 beats per minute, BPM here. So it's beats per minute. It's able to show you. Then this here, it's indicating that there is pulse here. It's pulsating, okay? So it's showing the strength there. So the waveform, as I said, is showing you how the intensity of light which is going through the skin to find an artery so that you get these readings here. So this is how the pulse oximeter works. Now, in case you're using it continuously on a patient, what will it show? It will show you what we call trends. So you come to this button. So there are different types. So when you press there, it will show you what we call trends. So this is a SpO2 trends, meaning it will show you the previous readings. It will show you how it was able to store the readings. So here it will show you that it's able to store the readings for the patient. So you refer to this. Then another part is the pulse. So PR trend meaning pulse trends. So it will be able to show you the trends and what time the pulse was taken, or what time maybe it was at 90. It will show you that the pulse was 90 somewhere there. So this is the trend. So this one shows you the trends for two. PR, which is pulse, as well as SPO2 trends. So as you can see, it's about to pick and show the trends. So this is how you get the previous readings. So the current are there. So guys, this is the pulse oximeter. This is how it works. Thank you.